Harry. All systems go there on the Tulu Kapi gold project by the looks of it. Tell us a little bit more about where we're at.
It's basically everybody working extremely hard to sign on the dotted line and launch the project next month. Complex transaction, a dozen or so parties or sets of parties involved. Lots of corralling going on and lots of lawyers involved, but nobody's trying to slow anything down. So it's all good, really. Just laboriously working through all the detail and ticking the boxes.
So a key aspect is, of course, the bank finance. Tell us a little bit more about that. There are two major banks involved, as I understand it, and there's been some significant progress there.
Yes, the major development banks are first cabs off the rank in countries which are launching a new sector. And gold is a new sector for Ethiopia in terms of a major industrial sector. And we're the first bankable project in the gold sector in Ethiopia. It's been an arduous, long journey to prepare a project as the first banked project for a country. And on that journey, we had one bank who's a sort of like an Ethiopia expert, very close to the country and deals in the country daily. It approved the transaction completely early last year, early 24. And the second bank, which is a mining bank, so to speak, from West Africa, operates throughout the continent, but a mining expert bank, it approved the project finally early this year, 25. And therefore, because it was now a larger offering, being offered 70% of the development capital, 240 million development loans, the first bank had to refresh its approval. So that's a bit convoluted, but basically the important thing was the formal refreshing of that approval from a year ago, now of the enlarged facility. And that has also come through. Whilst I wasn't nervous, clearly it was a critical thing to happen, and one should never take these approval processes for granted. Nobody should. But it coming through was great. And it just reinforced the fact that we've lit the fuse for closing the transaction, and we're now on the road to complete the launch, which we hope to do next month.